Tootie, sing something. Tootie.
RJ!
What?
Get off your tablet.
I'm making a YouTube video.
Well, I'm gonna tell Grandma in the morning.
At least I got off.
RJ, you know, can't hear you, got my hearing aids out. Get off your tablet. I said you back today.
Yes.
What? What?
Ow, my nose.
Get off your tablet before I tell Grandma in the morning.
Spit got into my eye.
Archie, just turn off the tablet and let your tablet charge.